guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your platform trims on The Sims 4. So go to build mode, and this is only for your platform trims, by the way. So if you don't have like a risen platform like this, you can't change it. So what I do is I go to walls and empty rooms, and I choose the one that has a platform. I'm just going to show you right now. So let's add the square platform on here, even though I don't really need it. And I basically change the height of the platform. And then I'm just going to go to platform trims, and I basically just changed mine. Into that. I'm not sure. Oh, and for the like foundation, I think I chose this one. So go to foundations and then choose like this for the foundation. So platform trims is for like this one, I think, and this one's for foundation, which is down here. And that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!